All right, I got another pair of dusty shoes that need a polishing. So what do you think we're gonna do? We're gonna whip out the old shine kit here, and we're gonna get them all polished up. That's right, right there. We're gonna give it a little elbow grease, and we gonna touch this shit right up right here. We're gonna get that shit in there real deep, like yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, we gotta get all that polish right in there and get it absorbed. Then we use the lighter here to heat it up, baby, and make it all nice and smooth like. And then you break out your old vintage Sears Roebuck polisher. This thing is a fucking champ. I absolutely love this thing. Unfortunately, it was making some noise. I will admit I had to take it apart and re-grease some of the gears there and make it all hopefully work for a few more pairs of shoes. But it was giving me some noise. But we're just gonna keep running it until the wheels fall off. You know what I mean? It's already 50 years old plus, so we're just gonna keep using it until it breaks. Fuck it. But man, I tell you, you just give a little bit of TLC to these fucking things, and eventually they shine right up. You can actually see the difference right here in this shoe with the half that I'm polishing and the half that's not. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this fucking thing. This literally makes it effortless almost to polish a pair of shoes. You still have to put the work in, but my Christ, to just be able to hold this thing and let it fucking whing. It even has this beautiful polishing tip. Of this thing. Oh my goodness. When this thing dies, I don't even want to polish my shoes anymore. I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and find some sort of automatic shoe polisher, because this thing, absolutely fucking awesome. I'm so glad I found this in the closet, because look at these shoes. They are shining up nicely, effortlessly almost. Look at that shine. I know that they're worn. I've had these things for over 10 years, so they got some scuffs, some scratches, whatever. Look at the way they reflect the light. That's the important thing here. That shine, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, these things have a new lease on life. I gotta put the laces back in because I had to clean them up, but look at these fucking things. They are beautiful. Put the work in, my friends, it's worth it.